Just kidding. How's it going? I have been busy. I made some items. You know, I really don't like stuff. I'm trying to get rid of stuff. I have too much stuff, but I also want to make people laugh and smile, and I also need to make money. So I've been making a couple things I thought were pretty awesome. Here's one of them. You can order this on my website. One of the questions I get from a lot of you in the comments is, "Hey Ryan, I love your stuff. Where can I find your website?" It is ryankemp.com. That's it. So just all one word, ryankemp.com. If you're looking for a gift idea for someone who loves to cook, I think they might appreciate this. And it's not even like a bad apron. Can't really tell the material here because of my lighting, but straps, washing instructions. It's like a real piece of clothes. Love you. Miss you. Bye. Merry Christmas.